This Eholena here has just shown the first stage of true yellow. So before that, they look like the bottom ones there, which look kind of yellow, and people might take them early, but don't just ignore that first stage yellow and the green yellow and wait for it to go full yellow on top. And even then they're still firm. Like, those are still green on the tips, but that's if you leave them any longer, the birds get into them. So yeah, I'm gonna drop this thing. Oh yeah, that's on the back side too. Cool. Now I'm gonna try and hinge this thing so I don't crush my cardamom too much on this guy. So I'm gonna come up at an angle, about that much. Maybe try and see if I can move my cardamom out of the way on that side. Already, because the cut's right there, I already kind of put a lean. There we go. I can use the leaf here to pull this thing pretty much right at me, catch that flower stalk and flip it around, or just get nailed by it. But at least I'll stop the bananas from hitting the ground hard. Yeah, see, it even let me grab the peduncle. And so it's just bent. And not all bananas are going to behave the same each time, but so you're keeping the pseudostem on the back to act as a hinge, crunch in upon your cut, and therefore have to lower it, like, you know, pinch it down. And sometimes this blows out though. Depends on how heavy the rack is and how much you took out and what angle your cut was. But now they're right here. Nice hinging. All right, so that's how I try and do it when can. Doesn't always work out, you know, but I guess the more you try, the better you get.